Righto folks, here's my very brief basic review of the King's 75 litre dual zone fridge. Every one of these fridges bases themselves off a can load, you know, the amount of cans that it can fit in it. Here's the silliest oversight that King's, or whoever this brand is that actually makes these fridges, here's the silliest oversight they've done. Right, that's as many cans as I can fit in the basket area on the small side, right? This is the compressor side. Now have a look at this. This is what I find really bizarre. If I can get my fingers in underneath with one hand while I'm holding this phone. Hang on, I'm going to have to bloody do it with two hands. Oh, get out of there. Oh. Righto. So there's the top basket. There's 4 lots of 4x4, so there's what, 20 cans. And here's the bottom section underneath. You cannot fit 2 cans next to each other. Righto, so I could probably fit one more in there. No, I can't. If they'd have made this section, whether they move that wall over, you know, 10-15 mil or whatever, you could have fit heaps more cans in across here. And even when you lay them down, righto, you can't fit them that way. So you could have fit a heap more cans in that way. You can't fit them in next to each other. You can't stack them that high. You can't fit 3 that way. So you reduce to that. So I'll be able to get one more in, okay? So then I might be able to fit that one in. But you cannot fit, look, one extra. Out of a 30 pack of cans, I cannot fit a 30 pack in this side of the fridge. And if they'd have extended that out another, say, 10-15 mil, I should measure it, but anyway, you'd be able to fit a full 30 pack in. The oversight of that is ridiculous. It's the only negative that I can say for these particular fridges is this side of the fridge should at least be able to fit a full 30 pack or more. Other than that, great fridges.